100% sure of my answer confidently that it's King's Cross. King's Cross, for the last time, listen to me with your ears. It's called Paddington. Do you hear? It's Paddington. A little like that, but little proof. It's Paddington. Oh my god, you little stupid engine. You don't even know. Oh my god. Oh, literally came to King's Cross. I bet you're just lying. Well, I'm actually telling the truth. No, shut up. It's obviously King's Cross. Guys, please, you just need to shut up. You both agree on something anyways. And what is that? Dude, it's not St. Pancreas. And James went smugly into his berth.